Hey, everyone! Today, we are diving into the world of personalized ringtones with FDMR's name ringtone maker. In this video, we'll show you how to create your own name ringtone for free. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser or search engine and type FDMR.icu name ringtone maker. Hit enter to explore the magic. Among the search results, click on the first link that takes you to FDMR's name ringtone maker. Let's jump into the creative zone. Here, select the details to craft your unique ringtone. Start by typing your name in the Your Name input box. Now, select a text message from the drop-down menu. This adds a personal touch to your creation. Dive into the world of background music. Explore user-uploaded tracks from various categories. In this example, we are choosing iPhone. Below, you'll find background songs related to iPhone. Feel the vibes and choose the perfect one for your ringtone. Before finalizing, click the preview button to listen to your masterpiece. Make sure it resonates with your style. Ready to make it personalized? Choose Create MP3 for Android or Create M4R for iPhone. After a moment, your personalized name ringtone will be ready to download. If it doesn't start automatically, use the direct download link. Congratulations, and thanks for joining us on this creative journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks.